Okay, so I disassembled the DDT York vest, and now we're going to put it back together. To start with, you want to start with the straps here. So we're going to unvelcro this. You can see this has loops, and this has loops on this side. So basically we're going to line these up. This, which we unvelcroed, goes back in the center, and this line is going to start feeding through. Get one, and then one. Basically you're just alternating, threading this through so the shoulders are connected. Alright. Pull that tight. After the shoulder, you're going to find this little hole here at the side of the vest, right there. The cable's going to go in here, and it slips into this nylon that's on the inside. So feed that all the way through. And then it's popped out the bottom here. So once you get it down to the bottom, this is where you can adjust your vest as well for your sizing. So let's say this is the size that you want it. You want these tabs to stick through, and then basically you just keep feeding that cable into those tabs. There's one and two. That side is done. Just repeat on the other side, and of course you want to close up this Velcro on the shoulder pad.